Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal Webhook Events Security detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate PayPal Webhook Events, start by logging into your PayPal developer account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Webhooks section. Create a new webhook by specifying your webhook URL. Select the events you wish to receive notifications for. After saving your webhook, you'll receive a unique webhook ID. Next, download the PayPal SDK for your programming language. Follow the installation instructions specific to your environment. Once installed, import the necessary PayPal classes in your project. To authenticate a webhook event, create a listener for incoming webhook notifications. Capture the incoming request payload and headers. Retrieve the PayPal transmission ID and PayPal transmit. Take note of the PayPal transmission SIG header for signature verification. Use your webhook ID to find the corresponding webhook in your PayPal account. Generate a verification URL based on your webhook ID and the transmission time. To create a signature, use the PayPal SDK to generate a hash of the payload. Ensure you use the correct signature algorithm. Now compare the generated signature with the PayPal transmission SIG from the headers. If the signatures match, the event is verified. If they do not match, consider the event unverified and handle accordingly. Upon successful verification, process the webhook event as needed. Log the results of your verification process for future reference. Finally, thoroughly test your implementation using PayPal's sandbox environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.